Today we went out and looked at Wooded Island to sample trees to give the students an idea of what trees and native trees are actually present in the Chicagoland area. That way they can then take that information and use it to extrapolate into the area around us. We then also looked at the closer area of Jackson Park along Hayes Avenue over here to try to get a feel for how the trees were laid out and what species of trees were present. After that, we did some water sampling at Lake Michigan and at the boat dock area over here to try to compare samples of copper, iron, dissolved oxygen, phosphorus, and nitrate in a relative stagnant water area as compared to a well-mixed area like that of Lake Michigan. And then finally, we did some quadrant sampling where we actually looked at the individual plant species within a relatively localized piece of land to see how many species are present and what kind of diversity there was. The hope for this is that, of course, you get the experience of working with environmental science to try to understand that if a student has an interest in environmental science, what it is that they're going to be doing as environmental scientists. But as a big picture item, just coming to Jackson Park, there's a lot going on in Jackson Park that people just don't know about. Even though Mount Carmel is only less than a mile away, a lot of students have probably never been to Jackson Park and to see the wonderful nature that we have in this localized area.
Really good experience to get out of the classroom. You know, we learned about this in the classroom, you know, it's first-hand kind of stuff. We learned about Lake Michigan and how much oxygen and everything is in it.
We learned a lot about species and different types of trees and...
For science!
For science!